General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Wednesday. Did we get a Wednesday midweek reversal? Today's the 11th. We can say this is manipulation just based on how the daily candle closed. Supposed to be sideline, but we engaged. Medium. Anything confirmed after all of this? We can't say. Let's take a look. So the engineered liquidity from yesterday has been dealt with, but we're still in range. So can we say this is an anchor point with conviction with this delivery? No. Especially with how this new week opening gap is doing what it do. Do we like this low? We don't. It's a weak low. Could Monday hold? It really could be Monday. Nah, there's no expansion. Well, it is a New York reversal model, and this is a bearish still in range. So Logically, this is the target. What I'm gonna really watch though is these lows that's already been swept. There's DR. Previous day low is high probability target. Still, it's high Monday range with CPI on Friday. We could hold price like we did the day before NFP. And keep that in mind. It's crazy how these old gaps still are relevant. It's really not that old, but it's from 2 weeks ago. Look at this huge Asia candle that's taking all the ADR for New York tomorrow. Still inside Tuesday range. DOL still higher. This should only be here. We still don't got no candle body down there. Interesting week. No, we still do not have a candle body. Inside the new week up and down. Could be setting up a trap for See what the SPY is doing. Look at how we respected that high, but now we're opening, going lower. SPY look bearish. We're actually putting a candle body here too. This is the next reference for SPX. It'd be interesting to see if we close where we're at in reference to this line. About time AM session pop off. Are we gonna be close? It's right here. Look how many times I said this low is weak. Man, look how like it's trying to get there. It's so ugly. I think it's beautiful though, because it's just gonna like overcomplicate everybody's analysis. When all you gotta do is just wait. Get impatient. It's trying to test your patience. I should just hold in. Test the patience. Traders. Knowing everybody's waiting for this. We're like, market open, buy. This the target. Market open, buy. This the target. It's like, here, we'll get you. Here, we'll get you. These are good highs though, nevertheless, on the hour chart. Previous week's high is the only week high from this perspective. Both sides of this is swept. This low looks terrible. Same thing as NASDAQ. And SPY is stronger than NASDAQ. So I know everybody's buying SPY. Everybody ain't buying NASDAQ because they scared of tech. But they need tech to rally. It's just chilling. The low seem interesting. Previous day's low is the minimum. Selling above Tuesday high. It's probably the best trade for the week. We've been having a time now. I was just been on the wrong side because I'm looking for the buy. Look, it's retracing already. I bet Asia session be feeling like it really be moving too. There's money in Asia. See where we open. Buys are interesting. Low, pretty stable. Even better is Monday low. CPI Friday. So we could just chop. Nah, no, wasn't expecting that framework today. We can take a loss. Watch for tomorrow. See if we chop before news and see if Trump do something crazy. All right, that's that on there. Y'all have a good day. Peace.